Alright guys, so in today's video what we're going to be doing is replacing the fuel pump inside the Miata, and I'm going to take you through the steps on what you need to do to get that done. Alright, first things first, you're going to remove all these Phillips screws from this access panel. Once you have that removed, you're going to go ahead and remove the two fuel lines and the connector. And then we're going to go ahead and remove all the Phillips screws. First, we're going to start by removing this 8mm. Go straight down. Oh, geez.